Good morning, students, everyone. Now, today our lesson is I'm going to explain that is ionic equilibrium. In the ionic equilibrium, we will learn the substance are classified three types like acids, bases, and salts. Now, this classification was given by Robert Boyle. Now, Robert Boyle is given the classification of different types, that is was given three types of substance. The substance first one is acids, bases, and salts. The substance, the matters are classified into three different based on their nature. Based on their nature, their properties, they are different. Their acids, second one base, and third one is salt. They are classified. After that one also, one more size is that is Arrhenius, which is was they given the names, but exact information were not given, but names were given, discovered. Now after this one, the next scientist, that is Arrhenius. Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept. According to Arrhenius, an acid substance that will gives hydrogen ions when the dissolved in the water are called as Arrhenius acid. Examples HCl, CH3COOH, H3PO4, and H2SO4. These etc. These substances, when the water dissolved, they will H plus ions. Now when the substance that will gives OH minus ions when dissolved in the water, like examples NaOH and KOH, MgOH taken twice, CaOH taken twice, etc. Now neutralization, that means nothing but salt. An acid react with the base to form salt and water. To form salt and water is called. No, that is an example we can write as HCl plus NaOH to form NaCl plus water. The acid react with the base to form salt and water is called as neutralization reactions. This is a salt, formation of salt. But according to Arrhenius, some limitations are there. The limitation like CO2, SO3, Cl2O, and N2O5, etc. These are having acidic nature, but they are not donating and are not releasing H plus ions in the water. Similarly, in case of NH3 and CaO and Na2O and MgO, these substances are in the water. They are not releasing any OH minus ion, but they are act as like bases. That is the reason this theory was rejected later. After that one, we have raised one more theory, that is Bronsted. Second theory, that is scientist was given Bronsted-Lowry theory. That concept. According to this concept, the substance which can donate the proton is known as acids. Donate nothing but proton means nothing but H plus ion. E was called as proton. The proton donor is called an acid. The substance which can donate, which accept the proton, is called an acid. Substance which can accept the proton is called as the base. Now in a transfer of proton from the acid to base known as neutralization reaction, that is proteolysis reaction, acid base reaction also, it is a reversible reaction also, we can write as. See one example here. Here HCl plus H2O, it can form H3O plus and OH minus. Now here it is donating proton, it is accepting proton. Donating proton is called acid, accepting proton is called base. Now this total process is called neutralization reaction or acid base reaction, means the proton donate from acid to base is called as neutralization reactions. Now examples. Now Brownstein acid HCl, gamma H3O plus are Brownstein acids, and Brownstein bases H2O, Cl minus. Now these are the now neutralization reaction. This is also we can write as a neutralization. That is NH3 plus H2O, it become NH4 plus OH minus. See in this case it is a water is act as base, but in this case it is act as acid because of H plus donating. It is now it is act as base. Once few substance that is act as acid and base like water, like acid and water, like water. Now this an acid which shows greater the tendency of to donate proton is called strong acid. Greater the tendency of donate the proton is called, for example, examples, that is HClO4 comma H2SO4 comma H2SO4 comma and NH3 comma and HNO3 comma. These are the strong acid. Some acid they are donating to very weakly donate the proton, that is called weak acids. CH3, that is the CH3OH, that is HCl, the weakly donating proton. These are. Now after this one theory also some types of ions are not explained. That is the reason later the theory was rejected. The next concept is Lewis theory of acids and bases. Now in this theory that was given explained, that is electron pair acceptor. Electron pair acceptor is called as Lewis acid. Now electron pair donor is called as Lewis base. Now the Lewis acids contains a vacant orbital contain vacant orbital. Now and also Lewis base contains a lone pair of electron, that is non-bond pair of electron, that is nothing but non-bond pair of electron. Non-bond of. Now there is one more. Lewis acids are called electron or electrophiles, and Lewis bases are called nucleophiles. Now examples of Lewis acids. Example of Lewis. All first one is all simple ions like H plus, Ag plus, CO plus 3, CS3 plus, Ag plus 3, Ce plus 2, nickel plus, etc. Now atoms which contains 6-8 electron configuration, which contains 6 electrons, that means. And second one, the electron deficiency atoms or deficiency molecules like BCl3, AlCl3, BF3, BF2, FeCl3, etc. These molecules are now electron deficient. And also the second type, the third type, the molecule which contains central atom is octet configuration, vacant d orbital with vacant d orbital, the atoms, central atoms. The examples are Si, F4, Sn, Cl4, Sf4, Te, F4, etc. The molecule which having multiple bonds, the molecule which contain multiple bonds like CO2, SO2, SO3, NO2, etc. These all are bases.